Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals, baked items, smoothies, healthy juices, and some vegan meals too. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle, so check out my videos on healthy lifestyle tips, self-care, home care, jewelry making, and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. Okay, I'm up early. I'm making a salad for lunch. I could have done this last night, but I got home pretty late from work. So I have some kale, which I've already washed, and I took out the harder part of the stems. I'm gonna add some cucumbers. Tomatoes. I'm gonna add some dried cranberries. I've had these for quite a while now, so I'm using them up. I'm gonna add some potato salad. I have the potato salad video on my channel. I will put in the number video it is when I'm putting up the video. So you don't have to put mayonnaise, but if you can put the mayonnaise on the side. Sometimes I let the beans mash a little bit, so it sort of brings it together if I don't want to use any mayonnaise on it. Okay, I have my tuna. I've washed it. Make sure you wash off those tins before you use them. So this is a chunk in water. I sort of prefer this more than the flaked in water. So what I do, I don't take off the cover fully. I just use it to sort of press down on it so it gets out all the water. I press my fingers down on the lid so I get out all of that. Another little trick too, if you want to, you don't have to do it, but just to get out any preservatives out of it, I like to add a little vinegar. I like to add a little vinegar. So this just sort of rinses it off and also gives it a nice flavor. So I just use the fork and just move it around a little bit. Just like I'm rinsing it off. Make sure you press down the parts on top into it. And we'll do the same pressing thing. Put back the cover on. If you're hypertensive, you can rinse it with water to get out any extra salt. But I find these are not as salty as they used to be. Just press on it. Get out everything. Go around this side where the cover is. And now I have some nice rinsed tuna. with a nice vinegar flavor. So I'm gonna make a quick tuna salad. You can add as much onion as you like. I forgot to buy peppers, but luckily I have some frozen peppers. So I'm not gonna handle it with my hands because it's hot. I'm not gonna use too much because I don't want it to be overpowering. I like to taste my food. I just like the flavor of the pepper. About a half a teaspoon or so. So instead of the mayonnaise, I'm gonna add a little coconut oil. You can add mayo, but because I'm gonna use mayo in the salad dressing too, I'm not using too much mayo. And you can add your favorite seasoning. I'm using Mrs. Dash. You can use whichever seasoning you like. You can add some parsley or anything, but remember I have to go to work, so I don't have a lot of time to get too fancy in the morning. Just a little black pepper. Mix this up. Add it. You could use all of it, but I'm gonna leave back a little so I can have a little sandwich later or tomorrow, because you know we're on a budget, right? So, and you could also add a boiled egg also to add more protein. I'm gonna add some pineapple. It's frozen, but it will keep the tuna salad cool. So I'm just gonna, you can cut it up a little smaller. I'm just gonna add some pineapple to it. That should be enough. What would be good too, you could add some quinoa or so. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm gonna make my salad dressing in the container that I'm taking it in. So I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup. You could add a little more mayo, but I'm almost out of mayo, so just adding a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of black pepper, just a little bit. And you could add a little extra seasoning if you want. Any seasoning you like. Today we're using Mrs. Dash. Just a little bit. Gonna mix it up. this type of there are many different ways to make it. I'm just doing a very simple version. This goes well with almost anything. So this is my salad dressing today. So you see the reason why we don't need any mayonnaise on the tuna, because we're gonna have mayo in this. But if you want to go all out, feel free, because I really love my tuna with mayo too. And that is my salad dressing. So this is my salad for lunch today. I think I might make a smoothie, because this is not gonna keep me the whole day. I'm gonna need something in the afternoon, so I'm gonna make a smoothie for the afternoon. So I'm making a little snack to take with me. It's a small snack. I'm using my excess of tacos. I'm almost out of that too, so you don't need a big snack, but if you want to keep your energy level up, I'm gonna use a little bit less peanut butter, some peanut butter, in a generous amount. It's good protein. You can use whole wheat biscuits too. I love my Jamaican guava jelly. I'm using Kendall guava jelly today, guava jam. So, you know, when you're eating healthy, you have to learn to treat yourself, because if you don't treat yourself, but you know, small treats, if you don't treat yourself, then you might be tempted to go and say, eat a whole bag of chips or something. So once you treat yourself, you could have this as your afternoon snack, like, you know, or have it as a mid-morning snack. You know, sometimes just before lunchtime you feel really hungry. So this is just my little snack to go with my salad today.